Is this visible to you? Is this page visible?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Chalo, so we go with our next topic, that is regression. In last lecture we have seen what?
Correlation.
Correct. Correlation coefficient, that is small r. Do you remember the definition, everyone? Formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. It depends on two variables, x and y, right? Where n is the number of observations or number of pairs of observation, as it is a bivariate data. Right. So formula is, can you, any one of you can me remind please the formula? R is equal to
Summation xy upon n minus summation x upon n into summation y upon n upon
correct upon
the root x summation x square upon n minus summation x upon n bracket square into under root summation y square upon n minus summation y upon n bracket square.
perfect. So this is the formula for R. We have seen the examples like if you have given with the x and y values, that statistical data is given to you. That was the first type. Like x and y different values are given to you. We put it on calculator and we just calculate R and summations. That was the first type of R we have found. Next was given like summations are directly given to you. Those summations we can put into the formula and solve. That was the second type. And third type we have seen in that was if there is a wrong data type given, like wrong record of x and y values. So we have to first correct the record and then we can find R. Okay, so these three types we have seen there in correlation. Not exactly type. So three types of examples are there, like direct data or the direct sums or incorrect data. So next topic in the statistic is regression, and it is called lines of regression. Lines of regression. Now means what? What is lines of regression? What is regression actually? So while calculating R in calculator, we press REG to find correlation coefficient. That REG is itself regression. Okay, now everyone will pay attention. What is regression is? Now correlation, we have seen there is a relation between two variables x and y. If there is so, we can call it R, that is the correlation. They are correlated. And if there is a correlation, means the values of them are depends on each other, right? So it affects this affects this, and yes, then at what in what we can say, what is the relation between them, right? How x is related to y and how y is related to x, we have to find that. We just have seen that there is a correlation. Yes, there is something like that we have seen, but what actually is the relation, we have to find that, like how y is related to x, and as these are the lines, so y can be related to x as y is mx plus c. That is the line. Do you know this line, y is mx plus c?
Yes.
Right. So if there is any relation between y and x, what is that relation in forms of line? If it is there, it is like y is mx plus c, so y is related to x here. Or is it the line x is equal to something y plus c? This is also the line x on y. Do you know this line also? Two lines, y on x, x on y. This is called line y on x and this is called line x on y. Okay, so these are the lines. If we can say these two are related, x and y's are related, so m and c are constants to be find out. Okay, these are the lines, but now we have to see lines of regression. So yes, this is what we know initially, lines, but now regression lines are of two types: regression line y on x and regression line x on y. So we go with the first one. Okay, I'll remove this. We know this. Y is mx plus c, x is my plus c. These are the lines y on x on y. So we go with the actual topic, that is regression lines. There are two types of regression lines. First is regression line y on x. So here you have to remember a formula. The formula is, if it is y on x, it starts with y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. I'll tell you everything, just remember the formula. So regression line y on x is y minus y bar is equal to, this is a notation, byx into x minus x bar, where x bar and y bar, do you know this, where we denote bars? X bar and y bar are generally used for mean. So x bar and y bar are mean of x and y. Do you know how to find the mean if you have x and y data with you? What is x bar? What is the mean of x? If you have given 10 values of x, so what is the mean of that x?
Sum of that 10 values upon 10.
Correct, perfect. So x bar is like summation of all x upon the total number, right? And y bar is also summation of all the y's upon the number. This is what mean. So yes, x bar and y bar are the means of x and y's respectively. And there is a new thing, byx. So byx is called coefficient of regression. Coefficient of regression y on x. Coefficient of regression of y on x. Byx, if y comes first, it is y on x. And for the line y on x, y comes first, x comes later. In byx, in this term also, y comes first, x comes later. This is how you remember it. And that byx is defined as summation xy upon n minus summation x upon n into summation y upon n upon summation x square upon n minus summation x upon n bracket square. Numerator is like r itself, but its denominator is not having square root, and there is only one term x. Byx on x, so denominator is having only x terms. Or that byx can also be defined as r. What is r? Into sigma y by sigma x. What is r?
Coefficient of correlation.
Right.
Of correlation.
Right, where r is coefficient of correlation. Do you know what is sigma? Have you ever heard about sigma?
Deviation.
Yes, which deviation but? Standard deviation.
Standard deviation.
Right. So sigma x is standard deviation of x and sigma y is standard deviation of y. Okay. So either you can define byx like this or byx like this. So generally we use this formula, r into sigma y by sigma x. The formula is also here, can be asked for MCQ. Oh yes, and very important, the line we have to find, they will ask you find the regression line y on x. So the definition for that is y minus y bar is byx into x minus x bar. You will find y bar, you will find x bar, you will find byx by using this formula. Second one, r into, right, where r you will find before. How we find r? We have seen that in last lecture. R is If data is given, we can go with our calculator, we can find R. We'll find R. Sigma will be there in your calculator. Sigma x, sigma y, both are there. We'll put here and we'll find the value of Pyx. Okay. Now that was the first line, regression line y on x. What is the second type? Regression line?
X on Y.
Right. There are two lines. So regression line x on y. Can you just define now x on y? Just I'll show you the first one, y on x. See this, and can you tell me now the change? We'll change only the roles of x and y and we'll get line x on y. Can you tell me that?
X minus x bar is equal
Correct.
to bxy
Correct.
bracket y minus y bar.
Correct. X on y, if it is there, so x comes first, x terms, so x minus x bar. In B, x on y, so x comes first, y comes later. And here, x minus x bar, bxy into y minus y bar. This is what is the line, regression line, x on y. Okay, where? Now we know what is x bar, y bar means. So where bxy is defined as summation xy upon n minus summation x upon n into summation y upon n upon what?
Summation y square by n.
Y square by
Right. Summation y square by n minus summation y by n bracket square. Right. Or bxy can also be defined as how? R into, if it is bxy, x goes up, y goes down. Like here, for byx, y goes up, x goes down. Y comes first, x comes later. Right? Sigma y first, sigma x in denominator. Like that itself, here x comes first, y comes in denominator. That is sigma x upon sigma y. Definition. Okay, we'll solve these values, we'll put it into the line, and then we can find the regression lines. Okay, here one note you will remember, important, can be asked for MCQ. Relation between correlation and regression. Correlation and regression. So we know the correlation coefficient, we know the regression coefficient also. So correlation coefficient R is nothing but bxy into byx under root. Regression coefficient x on y into regression coefficient y on x. If you multiply them and if you take the square root of that, it is exactly similar to R. Okay, so you want to see somewhere, you want to note down. I'm going back. Please check. If something is remained, please note it fast. We'll go to the example then. Note down the formulae correctly. Done on this page. Can I go to next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Everyone, note down, please. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and this is your next page. Relation important. This one is for MCQ. You should highlight that for MCQ. This every part is important for MCQ. This formula, anything can be asked. Like what is Vxy? What is this formula is also can be asked for MCQ. This is what is the regression line x on y. So in this regression line, everything is important in view of online exam. Chalo. So we'll go to the question. Find the equation of equations of lines of regressions. Find the equations of the lines of regressions and also the coefficient of correlation from the following data. Data is given to you: X, Y. Okay, different X and different Y's are given to you. 62, 64, 65, 69, 70, 71, 72, 74. And Y's are 126, 125, 139, 145, 165, 152, 180, and 208. Okay, this is given to you. And it's asked to find lines of regression equations and coefficient of correlation also. Means what you are going to find here? R also and two lines. That is regression lines X on regression line X on Y and Y on X. Right. So for that, is the question clear to all? Find the equations of lines of regression. म्हणजे इथे काय काढायचे समजलंय? Two lines. First Y on X and X on Y, both the lines and the correlation coefficient also. So we go with first correlation coefficient and then accordingly we can find the regression equations. So go with the table first. For R, we need a table like this. Complete the table: 62, 64, 65, 69, 70, 71, 72, 74. And here we need summations of all of them. Chalo, bring out your calculator. Okay, so everyone is having your calculator now. If there are new people, they can listen and accordingly do the things. So first thing, everyone will clear the memory like shift mode and 3 are equal. Shift mode 3 equal. So it is now reset. Okay, and then go to mode, press twice. Can you see REG there at number 2? So press 2. Then it is linear regression lines, right? So press 1 and now it is blank, right? So if it is blank now, you will press 62 there. Here, pay attention. Your first is this 62, 126 is your first pair. And how to introduce in calculator is 62. Okay, right there 62. Then comma is there above delete. So press comma. And second number, that is 126. Press 126 there and then press M plus. M plus is above AC. Press M plus. You can see there N is equal to 1. Means your first pair X comma Y is in your calculator now. So accordingly, you have to enter all these pairs. N is 1, it is showing. Start entering the second pair. 64, comma 125 M plus. N is 2 there. So enter all of them. 65, comma 139 M plus. 69, comma 145 M plus. 70, comma 165 M plus. 71, comma 152 M plus. 72, 180 m plus and 74, 208 m plus. Is the total observations 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in your calculator, there is n is equal to 8 now, right? So there you can press now AC. Don't press on, press AC, right? And then go to shift and 1. Shift 1. Okay, we need here summation x. So it is at number 2, press 2 and equal. How much?
5.
547.
547.
547, correct. Once again, we go to shift and 1. For the next sum, we want is summation y. And there is a replay, arrow is there. Next arrow, go to next arrow. Then there is summation y at 2, press 2 and equal. How much it is?
1247.
40 or 7? Check once. Huh?
40.
Okay. Next, again shift 1 and summation x square is what we want. And it is at number 1. So press 1 and equal. What is that?
37527.
Correct. Is anyone getting different?
No, ma'am.
Okay, good. Next, shift and 1 again. Then पुढे जायचे. Summation y square is there at number 1 and equal. 1, 9,
197,840.
0. Perfect. Right. And then again last shift and 1 will go. पुढे जाऊया. It is at number 3, summation of xy. So press 3 and equal. So we get 8, 5, 5, 4, 6.
6.
Correct. So yes. And then we have to complete this table also. You cannot let it blank. So x square means this number square, you'll write it here. A square is here. All of these squares here. Then y square is first y square here. Then second y, its square is here and all of that. And here it is x into y. So this into this, you will write here. Again, this into this here. So like this, you will complete the table. Is there anyone from DSY now? I think Mahadev is there. Do you understand this? Are you doing? Sonali is also there. Ranali is there. Mahadev is there. Do you understand what is going on? Are you doing it on calculator, whatever I'm telling you? Sonali, are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand? Are you doing this on calculator? Do you have calculator with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pranali, तू करती है?
Yes, ma'am.
जमतंय? काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर विचारायचंय तुम्ही मला. महादेव, तुम्हाला जमतंय का?
हा येस मॅम.
ओके, करा ते. हा, मी जसं सांगते तसं फॉलो करा.
Yes.
Yes. So all these summations are there. What is n? We need capital N also. What is n?
8.
8. The total number of observation, just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? So here n is equal to 8. And now we have to find R. So we have a formula. Formula of correlation coefficient, summation xy upon n minus summation x upon n into summation y upon n upon under root summation x square by n minus summation x by n bracket square into one more under root summation y square by n minus summation y by n bracket square. So this is what is the formula of R. जे आपण पहिले example solve केले त्या फॉर्म्युलावरच केले. So this is important, please remember. Okay, so in that we can now put the value summation xy there first. What is the summation xy? It is here now. Summation xy, it is 85546. 85546 upon n is 8, minus summation x 547, right, upon 8 into summation y 1240 upon 8. Is this correct? 547? Yes, 1240 upon under root summation x square 37527 upon 8 minus summation x upon 8 bracket square into under root summation y square. What is that? 197,840. You can check. Summation y square upon n is 8 minus summation y upon n bracket square. It is here. Summation x upon n is here. So I'm just copying this and writing square. Summation y upon n is here. I'm copying and writing square to it. Okay. So we have put the values here, and now we are not actually going to solve this. We have its answer in calculator itself. So we press now AC and then we press shift and 2. Shift and 2. तिथे तुम्हाला दिसतंय x bar sigma x sx. पुढे चला arrow ni. Okay. आणखी पुढे चला capital A, capital B आणि R दिसतंय. आपल्याला पाहिजे काय? R. So R is at number 3. Press 3 and equal. You get R. What is that?
0.9031.
0.90318. So because of this 8, it becomes
2.
0.9032. If it is higher than 5, so the number, this number gets one more. And if it is less than 5, number get one less. Okay, so this is your R correlation coefficient. R is done. Next is lines of regressions we have to find. So we'll go with that. So here I'm giving the heading lines of regression. Or you can just say regression lines. Lines of regressions or regression lines. The first line, regression line. Y on X we'll find first. So what is Y on X line?
Y minus y bar
Correct. Y minus Y bar is equal to
byx
B
into
by
x.
X into X minus X bar. Very good. So here we want X bar and Y bar first. Then BYX and BXY also. So we can find now BYX and BXY in between and X bar, Y bar also. Do we have X bar and Y bar?
Yes, we can find.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. X bar and Y bar are directly on your calculator also. So first thing is X bar is defined as summation X upon N. Right. So summation X we have. What is that? 547. Right. 547 upon how
8.
many total number X are there? 8, right? So we can
62.
do like this or go to shift and 2. Shift 2 and there is X bar. You can see directly at number 1. Is it
Yes.
there? Yes, already X we have introduced. So press 1 and equal. How much it is? 68.375. So this is what you can do, or directly you can write it here like shift and 2. It is in shift 2 X bar. Can you check these two values are same? Yes, it must be. Second, Y bar is summation Y by N. That is, what was Y? Summation Y.
40 upon
1240, no?
yes.
Upon 8. Yes. And what is it?
155.
155.
155.
Shift and 2 again आणि पुढे गेला की तिथे Y bar एक नंबरला आहे. So press 1 and equal. It is 155. Everyone is getting?
Yes.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So x bar, y bar done. Next we want is byx, and then for second regression line we'll need bxy also. So we find both of them. So byx is nothing but what is the formula? R into
Sigma y upon sigma x.
correct,
Sigma x.
sigma y upon sigma x. Do we have R?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
0.9032 R into sigma x, sigma y are also there in your calculator. So go to shift and 2 once again. First we need sigma y. पुढे चला. Arrow ने arrow आहे तिथे दिसतंय सगळ्यांना. रिप्लेच्या बटन मोठ्या बटनला arrow आहेत बघा वरती खाली इकडे तिकडे. So पुढे चालतोय आपण. तिथे sigma y is at number 2. Press 2 and equal. What is sigma y? 26.5518. At least write up to 4 digits. Okay, every time I'm telling you after this point you should write 4 digits. Okay, sigma y we have written, and it's very good that you write all of these numbers like 3609. And again go to shift and 2, and here we need is sigma x. Can you see sigma x there?
Yes.
Yes, it is
Yes.
not number 2 directly. Press 2 and equal. What is the value? 3.966. 57 something something something. You can write, or you can write up to 4 digit itself. It is also okay. Like up to 8 you can write, and here up to this you can write. Okay, chalo, find the value. First divide this 2 and then multiply with this. If done, you can tell me answer b by x.
Six
6.0458.
0.0458.
10.
Okay, 58 up to 4 digits. Okay, so we'll stop up to 4 digits. So 6.0458 is your byx. Secondly, we can also find bxy here, and then finally we'll go to the lines. So bxy, what is the definition? Bxy,
R into sigma.
sigma x upon sigma y. Correct. So we already have these values with us, 0.9032, we know, and just sigma x, what we have find is we'll write in the numerator, sigma y in the denominator. Reverse the role. So this is up and this is down now. 3.9. Take it up. 3.9666, whatever. Upon 26.558. Okay, you will get one value, dxy now.
0.134.
0.1349.
9.
Okay, right up to 4 digits. Okay, now whatever are our byx and bxy, are they correct? We can check like whether that under root byx into bxy is equal to r or not. If it is following, then you are correct. If it is not, then you are wrong somewhere. So we'll write it 0.1349 into 6.0458. Check once.
Yes.
Correct? 6.04 no?
6.0458.
Check this value. Is it equal to R? What is this value? Under
Yes,
root,
ma'am.
right?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it correct? Very good. So yes, we are through. Whatever value we have written are correct. It is like we are getting 0.90309 means 9031 something we are getting. So we are correct. 0.90329031. So we are through. Right. It is like R. This is your extra job. Okay, now byx, bxy, x bar, y bar, everything we do have with us. So we'll go with the first line once again, a regression line. Y on x we have started. So here we can stop and we can start here. Before that, we just find x bar, y bar, byx and bxy. Chalo. So I'm writing the line again. Y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. So here y bar, what is y bar?
One
The
five.
line
155.
will have x and y in it. We cannot substitute anything for x and y. All other values what we have, we'll put it here. So y bar is 155, correct? Is equal to byx
6.045.
0.0458, correct? X minus x bar. X bar is
8.375.
0.375.
68 point.
68 point, no? Okay, 68.375. पुढे बोला एवढंच आहे का? हा,
Yes, ma'am.
68.375 आहे फक्त, correct. Okay, so this is your line. Next, you have to make it a line like y is equal to mx plus c, as this is y on x and y on x line is always of this form. So म्हणजे y will be on this side, mx will be here, and all the constants will get collected together as c. You understand?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So shift that 155 to this side. Before multiply these two terms. So it is like y minus 155 is equal to, multiply inside, 6.0458x minus this two multiply. What is this multiplication? This two, tell me, I'll write it there. 6.0458 into 68.375.
413.38.
413.38.
413.38. Correct. So y is equal to, we want, so we shift it there. So y is equal to 6.0458x minus 413.38. This is minus here, to this side it becomes plus. So y is the 6.0458x minus, write it as it is on calculator, minus plus this. See what is the number.
Minus 258.38.
Minus 258.38. Check. So this is your required first line, regression line y on x. Y is equal to mx plus c. And whatever is this m is what? What is this value? This value is of
M.
m, but what is that here? Can you just check?
byx.
Is it byx?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So this is byx always. So y is mx plus c. If this is the form, then that m is byx, y on x. This is the coefficient byx. Remember. Chalo, first line is done. We go with the second regression line, x on y. What is the formula?
X minus X bar equal to BXY
Correct.
in
X
1
minus x bar is equal to bxy into
Y minus
Y bar.
right. X on Y, so everywhere X comes first, Y later. In B also X comes first, Y comes later. It is BXY. Whenever it is X on Y. Chalo. So we have X bar, we have Y bar, we have BXY, everything we do have. So put it here and solve. X minus X bar. What was X bar?
68.375.
Yes, 68.375 is equal to BXY
0.13.
0.1349,
49.
right? Y minus Y bar. What is Y bar? 155.
155.
Right, correct. So we wanted X on Y means like X is equal to My plus C. This is X on Y, right? So we
Yes.
want X on one side and other things all on other side. So it is X. This minus will become plus there. So it is 0.1349 Y minus, how much is this multiplication?
20.9.
20.909.
20.909. And this minus will become plus here, 68.375. So therefore, X is equal to 0.1349 Y minus he plus मोठी plus येईल सांगा काय येते
47.46.
47.46
6.
6 Today. One more. If it is there, write up to 4 digits. Whatever it is, write like that. After point, 4 digits. Okay, so this is the regression line X on Y. And what is this value?
BXY.
Check once. Is it BXY? Yes.
Yes.
So if we get X is My plus C, that M is nothing but BXY. Regression coefficient X on Y. Okay. So whenever you will have the regression lines, if something is like that is given to you, okay, listen my question. Here your answer is over for the given question. Now suppose if this is given to you and this is given to you and is asked to find R, and it said that these are the two regression lines and find R. How can you do that?
R equal to root BXY into BY.
Perfect. So for that, we should understand that it is that value is of BYX and this is BXY. Right, BYX, BXY, multiply them, take square root of it and whatever is the value is R. Getting?
Yes.
Right. So write the question next and try to solve. Fine. Is this clear to everyone? Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, up to R we already have done. R, how to find this R we know. In last lecture we did that. Okay, everyone will complete the table. No one will let it blank. Okay, it's your job. Complete it. Okay, table, then formula, then values in formula and answer for R. Done. R is done. And then they are asked to find regression lines also. So there are two types. Regression lines Y on X, X on Y. The formulae. Before that, all these values X bar, Y bar, BYX, BXY, substitute there and we get the two lines Y on X, X on Y. That's the answer. Chala, next question you can go with find the equations of lines of regressions from the following data. Also find कालचे क्वेश्चन केले का तुम्ही सर्व काही प्रॉब्लेम आलाय का कुठे
No, ma'am.
no problem, no doubt. You could solve all of them. Solve करता आलेत सगळे तुम्हाला कुठेच काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही आला
No,
No.
ma'am.
Okay, good. 80, 45, 55, 56, 58, 60, 65, 68, 70, 75, 85, 82, 56, 50, 48, 60, 62, 64, 65, 70, 74, 90. Before we start to solve this question, I want to ask you from yesterday's question, the last one. You corrected the sums, right?
Yes.
I want to ask you the correct sums there, if you have with you right now. So if you have written it correctly, I want to just check everyone's answer. Is this correct? So for the last question, do you have that with you? Can I ask you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the correct summation x in that case?
199.
Is everything having same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is that? Two pairs 10, 12. Just a minute. 10, 12 and 15, 20 were wrongly recorded as 8, 22 and 18, 25. Out of this, what are correct and what is wrong record?
10 and 12 are correct one, and 8 and 22 are incorrect one.
Is these two are incorrect?
Yes.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Wrongly recorded as असं रेकॉर्ड झाले पण ते रॉंग आहे म्हणजे करेक्ट हे आहे राईट सो करेक्ट एक्स इनकरेक्ट वाय दोन आहेत व्हॅल्यूज 2 2 एक्स आणि 2 2 वाय ठीक आहे सो आता मला विचारायचंय व्हॉट इज द करेक्ट समेशन एक्स करेक्ट summation x is equal to incorrect summation x that was 200 right
Yes.
minus and
20.
plus what you did here. I want to ask you that.
8 plus 18 in first bracket and 10 plus 15 in second bracket.
Perfect. Correct summation x is incorrect summation x minus sum of incorrect x. This is x, this is x. So sum 8 plus 18 plus sum of correct. So correct x are 10 and 15. So 10 plus 15. Everyone did this.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you have did something else, please correct it here. As there are two numbers given, you will add them first. If there is one more also, then you will add it here. 3 numbers, whatever. So as there are two, you will add them first and then you will subtract and add whatever it is. So correct summation x you got in this case is
199.
199. Perfect. What is correct summation y?
235.
235.
Perfect. Summation x square.
2449.
2436.
Okay, I'll do it for you one more time. So correct summation x is 2500 minus what you did here?
26
Incorrect sum of incorrect x square. It's square first and x square again. Incorrect, these two incorrect are there, and then we write square and we write it square also, second number square, and plus sum of correct x square. So yacha square plus yacha square, 10 square plus 15 square. You did like this only?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then if you did that, then you're correct. So what is that correct summation x square? What you got? Tell me. I'm not able to hear you.
2437.
Okay.
Two, 4, 3, 7.
Means you were wrong somewhere, I guess. No, while solving, because you are taking too much time to tell me. So is this correct in your notebook or is this wrong you have solved?
Wrong.
Wrong. So you correct it now. Correct summation for that. You just add sum of the squares of incorrect and then sum of the squares of correct. Then it will be 2437. And then correct summation y square accordingly, it will be
1535.
1535. Is this correct one? That is like, I'll solve for you. 2100 minus incorrect y's. Incorrect y's are here. 22 square plus 25 square plus correct y's are 12 and 20. So 12 square plus 20 square. You have to do that and then you'll get the correct one. What is that? Is this one again the same?
Yes, ma'am. 1535.
1535, correct. And last, correct summation xy will be incorrect summation xy, that was 3200 minus sum of incorrect x into y. So incorrect x into y. So this into this plus this into this. 8 into 22 plus 18 into 25. Incorrect is done. Plus sum of correct. What are the correct ones? 10, 12, 15, 20. X into y. 10, 12, 15, 20. Do this, then you will get the answer correct. I knew that you have not did it well, so that's why I'm taking this. Correct your answers. Tell me here, correct summation xy.
2994.
2994.
Yes, then now you have all the correct values. You can go with R now. 2994 upon, what is n?
12.
12. It was given. So 2 pairs wrong, 2 pairs again we have to add it, means it is nothing will change. It is as it is. Summation xy upon n minus summation x. बोला बरं काय पटापट. Summation x is 199 na? By 12 into summation y is 235 by 12 upon under root summation x square is 2437 by 12 minus 199 by 12 bracket square into under root summation y square is 1535. 1535 by 12 minus 235 by 12 bracket square. You will solve this and then whatever is the answer will be the correct one. Now do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Good.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Solve this, you will get your answer. For first, I think there will be no problem.
No
What is
problem.
the first question answer? What is R in that case? In question 1?
-1.
-1.
Perfect. What is in second case?
0.60.
0.6030.
0.6030. Is this correct, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. What is in case of 3?
Minus
Minus 0.1326.
And 0.1326. Is this correct?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
you get something different, you can tell me.
minus 1.04.
Minus?
Minus 1.04.
No, it is not the correct one. -1 point काहीच येऊ शकत नाही, मी तुम्हाला सांगितलंय. ते -1 to 1 मध्येच काहीतरी येईल आलं तर. आणि असं जर येत असेल तर आपण रॉंग हे आपण तिकडे समजून जाऊन पुन्हा एकदा ट्राय करायचं. बरोबर आहे की नाही? समजलं तुम्हाला मला काय म्हणायचंय?
Yes.
हे या
Yes,
रेंजच्या
ma'am.
बाहेर जातच नाही. जर जात असेल तर आपण कुठे चुकलो हे पुन्हा एकदा मागे जाऊन बघायचं. बरं बाकी 0 पॉईंट किती येते बोलले?
4.
4. आता प्रत्येकाचं वेगळं येते आय गेस. असं नकोय व्हायला. आणखी कुणाचं काही वेगळं याच्यापेक्षा?
-0.1326.
1326. आणखी काही वेगळं? बरं आता असं व्हायला नकोय, सर्वांचं आपल्याला सेमच हवंय. चेंज प्रत्येकाचं वेगळं येऊ शकत नाही ना. एक्झॅक्ट किती आहे असं कुणाचं आहे का? आणखी ज्यांनी बोललंय त्यांनी सोडून आणखी असं कुणाचं आलंय का आन्सर? असं कुणाचं आलंय का? हे तर येऊ शकत नाही. हे आलंय का कुणाचं किंवा हे आलंय का? चलो यू विल चेक इट टुडे. काय त्याचा आन्सर? फोर्थ मी तुम्हाला सांगितलंय, आज थर्ड पुन्हा एकदा चेक कराल तुम्ही. Yes, and this you can try as homework as our time is over now. If you can't solve, you will complete it in next lecture. Wait. please
Minus
do not-
1.04.
Minus
1.04.
minus 1 point. If it is coming, then something is wrong. It should not be minus 1 point. I guess data is wrong. If you are getting minus 1 point something, then I guess data is wrong. Minus 1 point can never be there. 717,721. Okay, beta. 48149. Just a minute. And 48905, 48398. And no, the value is correct value. I am telling you 0.9188. You will get answer there 0.9188. You can check. Is anyone have this value with you? You have solved and you got 0.9188. Is it that? Everyone will do this, and tomorrow all will tell me the answer is 0.9188. Please wait, I'm taking attendance, don't leave. Okay, done. You can leave. Thank you. Bye.